it's Grayson. I just wanted to show you some of my anime ringtones. I got them from a website called mytinyphone.com, and it's all free. But if your service, like mine does, charges going on the internet, you'll be charged like 4 cents per page, something weird like that. Anyway, here's the first one I have. I don't know if this is really considered anime, but it is 3 minutes long. Then just Castle in the Sky. And then I have this one, it's 4 minutes and 4 seconds. And it's Magnet. It almost has said animation. The first thing of the Sassy Magical Girls Club, which I really like, but no one else does. Sweet Angel, full song. Full song of Innocence, I guess. Innocence, yeah.
Here we go! Excalibur! Excalibur! From the United Kingdom, I'm looking for her. I'm going to California. Excalibur! Excalibur! From the United Kingdom, I'm looking for her. I'm going to California. Excalibur! Excalibur!
For you Soul Eater fans,
Excalibur!
that's it. Yeah, I'm only gonna play the ones that are like 20 seconds long. Love is War, full song. Baka, full song. Let's listen to it a little bit. Okay, you're probably bored.
Once upon a time, in a place.
Alice. Fan dub. I didn't realize you were a fan dub. God, I accidentally downloaded the fan to do Alice in the back of her. Full, I like you, I love you. This is 1 minute and 45 seconds. I don't know what yeah, but it's like 1 minute and 45 seconds. The whole song. Full of enjoy. Oh my god. This is just 35 seconds. That's that one. This is the ringtone. Full song. Because you guys know I'm a Taking Me a Freak. Yeah. This is also a typical ringtone. Because I was stupid enough to download 2 of these things. Dead End, or the screen collection YouTube, or everyone call it. Full song. Voila. Full song. Okay. Now that's only the. It's not. It's more. It's longer. That's only the first Alice. If I could get only the 4th Alice, I'd be happy because I like the 4th Alice. Full song, Darkwood Circus. I'm just gonna skip to the middle of it. Okay, in the part where Kaita says, "A blue beast that loves to eat things cold," does anyone else think ice cream? Did anyone else think ice cream before you saw the video? Like, yeah, okay. Yeah, that probably explains my pair bows. Yeah, I'm happy this is me at some point. Well, that's the full song. Just, I'm not gonna. Bubble in your foot, bubble in your eye. Everybody cries when you get your enemy with a bubble in your face. Yeah, that's not an Anime Ringtone. This I had for a while. I didn't download it from my tiny phone, but so. Confidence. These are just AT&T things. But yeah, I think the weirdest one that I really didn't expect to be there when I searched up Vocaloid is most likely Darkwood Circus, because not a lot of people have heard of it. I mean, I'm not surprised Alice was there, because Alice was like, but listen to it. You know what Darkwood Circus sounds like. If you don't, then go look it up, because if you don't, then you're stupid. What is my set ringtone now? I'm gonna call my phone and see what my ringtone is for the phone. Okay. Yeah, I just made this like 10 minutes ago. Just saying, with that ribbon and that tattoo. I have to unplug the plug. 215. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh God, this call's all. I have to turn the volume on. I'm smart. No, it's a call. I don't remember what else I did in Ringtone. I think it's probably Power. I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Call from Mommy.
Yeah. I should put some else as my ringtone. I don't want that as my ringtone. It's great. I don't want that as my ringtone. Okay, the bad part is that the full songs are mixed in with the ringtones, so I can't really. Can't use that one. Can't use Magnet. Can't use that one. Nope. No. I want an Electric Angel.
Here we go! Oh,
No. No. Yeah, listen to the fan dub. It's actually not that bad, but I like the rocket song on YouTube. I like her version's better, but this is still pretty good.
Such a tiny dream it was.
The tiny dream began to think. I don't
I
want to
hate English
disappear.
dubs.
How can I make people
Except
dream
for
of me?
ones that I
The
like,
tiny dream
but this
formed
isn't one of them.
and
I've heard this
sprung.
before on YouTube.
And finally, it came up with an idea. I will let the humans stray into me. And then, I will let them create the world. The first artist went walking through the woods of Wonderland. Bravely
Something sword in her hand. Call. What am I for? New voicemails. I'll probably lock them for myself. Oh my God, this video is 9 minutes long. I'm gonna go. Goodbye.